What's up, you guys? My name's Felipe. If you want to get into my super basic, realistic, adult at-home morning routine, and keep on watching this video.
I am a homo. Back at it, look back at it, look back at it, look back at it, look back at it.
Good morning, beautiful people. Good morning, charming friends. So right now, I'm giving very crop top, very faja. If you have me on Instagram, y'all know I'll be wearing my little faja. I'm gonna wear my faja and y'all gonna like it, period. I'm gonna make my little breakfast that I do every day. Squeeze in a little workout because I haven't worked out in a little while. My breakfast is so basic. I literally take a frozen breakfast croissant. I pop it in the air fryer. Put it for like a minute or two. I let it defrost. This out. Store brand honey, store brand garlic powder. Just add a little razzle dazzle. Just like to take the honey and really go buck with the honey gel. Honey's good for you, babe. That's why Beyonce has like a whole hive. I take the garlic powder, just season the out of this. If we have any fruit, I'll add a little fruit on the side, but if not, then it's just giving what it's giving.
The reason why you're more likely to be productive if you make your bed up is because you making up your bed every day is you completing a task. And every time you complete a task, it psychologically positions you to continuously go and complete more things. Tell you, every time you complete something early in your day, it becomes the unofficial theme of your day.
I have to take my phone off because I'm gonna fast. This is a really good faja. It has neoprene lining. Gets me right. Even if I don't work out, wear it under my hoodie while I'm running errands and stuff. See that? I have abs already. Screaming.
It's a habit I actually took from my parents. My mom worked retail nights where she would close. She always knew what we were going to eat.
So what I like to do, and I know it sounds crazy, take an ice cube, rub it over. Woo! I like to start right here because it's gonna like kind of make me a little used to it. Just kind of rub it. You guys know I always struggle with the skin on the sides of my cheek, but black men especially, we deal with like folliculitis. Most guys who have gotten rid of it have had laser hair removal. So that is something I am interested in doing in the near future. So that way that skin stays smooth, because trimming my face every other day, there's no way around it. I'm always gonna have inflammation. In the meantime, I will use ice for those problem areas after shaving especially. This has helped me a lot. And I know it seems like wet, but it definitely makes a difference. It looks like I've been working out a little bit harder than I have, but this is... As far as skincare is concerned, I have been using Curology. Curology has cleanser, moisturizer, and custom formula. Custom formula has your name on it. See, Felipe, see, period. I'm using it since maybe March. I think it was like March, so like 2 months. I really like it. It has made a huge difference. I feel like my skin generally looks healthier. We still have a little ways to go though. I do want a chemical peel, but I think between this and the chemical peel, we're definitely on the right track. By the way, this video is not sponsored by Curology. I've just had a decent experience with them this far. I wanted to share. Also, if you guys have had folliculitis or know anyone who have had it, feel free to let me know all about your experience down below. How old do you have to be to start moisturizing your ears and the back of your neck? I started doing that recently and I'm never going back. Ears will always be moisturized. Hands will always be moisturized.
I want a Sha'Carri Richardson toy.
We're listening to the read. We're eating breakfast. I'm gonna give you guys a closer look at my breakfast because I'm such a great vlogger. It's delectable. This is apple juice. Also, for running what's in my hand is my multivitamins, collagen, daily multivitamin, B12, and biotin. I started taking my vitamins every single day 3-4 months ago now, and I feel more energized. When I don't take my vitamins every day, I feel like miserable. But anyway, I'm gonna finish my breakfast and listen to the read.
But anyway, let's get back to her being sickening and out of me being a weirdo.